morning, everybody. We are back. If you woke up today, be grateful. I don't care if you have no money. I don't care if you're unhappy. Be grateful because you still have the chance to change your life. So right now, it is 9:24. We're about to get right into trading. 9:30 is where we like to trade. We like to trade the New York Stock Exchange open because we trade indexes. I like to trade US 30, NAS 100. I'm about to go live with the VIP Trading Network. We're going to see what we can do, see if we can get some opportunities. Yesterday we didn't trade, but today we can. And I got some other stuff planned for later on. Got a lot to show you guys, but overall, let's get straight to it. Let's get to work. The 30, I do want to watch like this, what is a 3-hour gap around this, what is like 550 area. We got the 50% of the range from the previous day also. Tap into the gap so I can get these long. I'm looking about a 50-point stop loss. I ideally wouldn't want to see it run the London low, but if it runs the London low, I'll watch it. But ideally, I don't want to see it run the London low. Right in there. That's what I'm doing now. That's where I just took my longs. I'm in on longs. I'm feeling. Should I add that extra contract? If I could hit this contract, I don't know. I'm thinking about adding a position. I might give it some time, maybe like into 10. But why I would rather want to do it while I'm at my entry. That's why. I got a little bit more to risk on the second trade, but this one, I'll take that as a L. I don't know. I'm mainly bullish, but this shit is from 830 at that drop. 830 wouldn't have been a move. It's definitely a possible trade idea though. If you could fill this big gap from Tuesday, 10 o'clock after we ran the previous day's low, definitely watch it. But yeah, it's the last trade of the day. Taking NAS 100 longs at this gap fill when we ran the previous day's low, going into 10 o'clock in 3 minutes. Risking about 500 last trade. If we can get a 1 to 2, that's cool. But if we can get a run at this high overall, that'll be a great target. But we'll just see what happens. RIP. All right, so right now we just got done trading. We're just gonna let it do its thing. I have an appointment to go see a skyrise. We're gonna go downtown Tampa. And we're gonna go look at this unit that we potentially want to get into in the next coming months. And we're just gonna show you guys. It's a beautiful view, beautiful everything. It is smaller than this apartment, unfortunately, but I want the view. I want that balcony, and I'm gonna get it. Everything you want, everything you dream, you have to find a way to touch it. Even if you don't own it yet, touch it. If you want a Lamborghini, try to rent one. Try to get in one. Try to see what one looks like in person. Touch one. If you want an apartment, view it. Look at pictures on it. Have pictures on your screensaver. Go see it in person. If you have someone that lives there, try to go see it. You have to visualize your dreams because if you could touch it, you know it's possible.
Oh, really? So fun.
Boxing bag. I like the gym. Oh, this one's like right on the, okay. This corner right here. This corner, the higher up.
That's it.
I think this is what we was looking at. I like the hardwood. The cabinets come in different colors, or
Yes.
yeah, I don't
So
like
one finish is like the Oxford residence, like a white one. Alternative finish is something like that. Also got nice wall.
that. Yeah, the balcony. I like the balconies too. It's bigger than.
So towards the left here is the water connection. And then this one too, I mean, you can see wall here, which is nice.
View is the main thing. This is just like that, we're back at the crib. Today was a very, very fun day, very entertaining day, to say the least. I told you guys earlier in the video, chase your dreams, touch it, feel it, see it. I just went to an apartment that I'm looking to get in the next coming months. I still got my lease here, so there's no point in me leaving at this moment. But the next 7 to 8 months, that is my goal. Getting that apartment, 26th floor, with a view. I'm gonna have it. And you saw that gym? You know what the content I could do in that gym? You know what I could do with that view? You know what I could do with that pool? The hot tub? Bro, come on now. I'm gonna have it. It's only a matter of time before I have it. But now that I visually touched it, now that I've seen it, now I got videos of it, now that I actually was in it, I'm going to make it a reality. And you guys can do the same thing. I also went to Adventure Island. I was there for a couple hours. Just gave me something to do, gave me something to record for you guys. But nonetheless, I did end up taking 2 losses this morning, so it is what it is. My first losing day of the week. I'm cool. We're going to be back tomorrow, nonetheless, with the VIP Trading Network, with the Private Inner Circle. We're going to get this money. Losses are going to happen. It's just about how you handle them. It's all about mindset. If you take a loss and you move on to the next one and you don't let it fuck you over, don't let it self-sabotage you, don't let it take away your confidence, you're going to be fine. I can tell you that now. You're going to be fine. But with that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you haven't got the free course, make sure you check the description for the free course. It's going to teach you everything you need to know on how to trade, what trading is, and how to get started for free. Just click that link and it's all yours. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe if you liked it, and I'll see you soon.